So hopefully you've taken a math class where you learned about matrices. In this class that I wrote called Matrix, I am using a two-dimensional array because that's what a matrix is. It's a very natural use of a two-dimensional array. So I have a two-dimensional array of integers, and you see here I call it ret mat. And so instead of just one set of brackets, I have two. And this is one of my constructors. It's the constructor if somebody wants to just create a blank matrix. It won't have anything in it, but it'll set up a huge matrix that's a 30 by 30 matrix. Otherwise, I have another constructor here that allows the programmer, the other programmer, to set up their own parameter list, so however many rows they want by however many columns they want. And then I fill it with a bunch of zeros, which actually technically it'd be nice if I did that up here as well. Maybe you can add that. And then I've created a few methods. One of them is set dimensions, and that's where I let them change the dimensions of the matrix if they'd like. Or they can do that separately. They can set the rows to however many rows they want, or set columns to however many columns they want. They can have the number of rows returned to them with the get row method. They can have the number of columns returned to them with the get column method. And then I have this method called fill matrix that takes the number of rows and columns and just scans in numbers and fills them with whatever the user enters. Or I also have, now this is going to return a two-dimensional array or a matrix, and it's just going to randomly fill their matrix. And then I have mat string, but we could also write a two-string method. Now to simplify things, I did add main right into this class because I wanted to test out some of the things right away. And I also wanted to show you that if you want, you can stick a main right in that class. It's not totally the way that we usually do it, but I just wanted to skimp on time, I guess. So normally we keep those separate. So, and then I have some questions at the bottom that I'd like for you to go through with your partner or partners. And if you're having any trouble, let me know. Good luck.